Okay, so today is November 10th, 2021. I'm done trading for the day. I had been watching pretty much all these tickers and the SPY. I took trades on BA, Lucid, Low, NVDA, and SPY. Um, all right, so let's start with the first trade, which was Low. Um, Low. I'm just looking at the contract prices. Looks like I made money on the second contract. But anyway, so when I get into Low and how did I trade it? So I got into Low because I saw how we bounced off this our support. Put this on the 15 minutes so you can see things a bit clearly. So the market has been kind of being in this bear channel. And generally I prefer to go south or short when we're in a bear channel. But when the price opened, it went down, and then we had this really big spike up. And I only noticed that sort of when price was already here, so I jumped in pretty late one contract and pulled back again and jumped in on another one. Got out on my first one roundabout here, and then my second one on this other pullback, and was really waiting, or no, actually around here, and then saw that price kind of went this way, and I just thought, oh, this is annoying. Didn't really, when I entered with both contracts, I was hoping we would rally, and that wasn't really so much the case. At the same time, everything in the market was going south. Like Apple went south. I didn't even expect it to, but I mean now because I thought we're in a bear trend, but actually we're in a trading range. It's interesting. I drew this way. I think this was on a different day. This is what I saw. So I didn't think we would break the lows, but we did. Everything just kind of sold off a bit. I was kind of expecting this to happen because we broke out of this range the day before yesterday, pull back 2, pull back 3. So this is the double bottom. GS2 was kind of a bit slow. Nothing really much happened. Anyway, so yeah, so that was Low. So I got out there and started looking for something else to trade. That's when I now got into BA. So at the time, I shorted BA around here when this bear bar appeared. I added, got here, added more. So I had about 5 contracts. Was it here I added? What's this? 1010. Let's see. Boeing. So my last contract was 1010. But 10.9. All right. So actually, let's have a look exactly where that was, because I was very disappointed with how it looked. 10. All right, here we go. Yeah, so I was here. So I added them here. Price got over here, and I was negative. It was so weird. It was super weird. 1036. So 36. Yeah, here. So I got in around here, and yeah, I was losing money here, and yeah, I just thought on a Wednesday, the contract premiums were already losing value. And I got very upset and I just exited. And I just thought, you know what, this isn't working out. The other thing that got me as well was the fact that we opened so strongly that I just thought, we're probably, based on price action, this is a parabolic wedge, so double bottom. This is the first run, pullback, second run, test, and then pushing higher. So I hadn't read it properly. Obviously, I wasn't, and this is the thing. I saw this zone, I got out. But of course, when I saw all this buying, I just figured that we're probably gonna retrace here, and this is probably gonna keep going up all day. So I decided to yeah, that's why I decided this was done when we got here, because we started losing momentum and follow through wasn't great anymore. I wasn't very happy with this. At the same time, I jumped into Lucid, and only just because we had, again, sellers in this area. You know, this is the range. You know, we've been in this trading range since, pulled down here. This got bought up, 3 pushes up, 1 pullback, 2 pullback, 3. I don't normally do the 1 minute, but it makes it easy to see the price. So I got in here very late because I was looking for the right contract that I wanted, and got in with, I think, 1 contract or 2, and then ended up with, I think, with 5 in the end. No, there were 3. Yeah, and this time I decided to get good contracts. Actually, no, there were 4. Yeah, I decided to get good contracts, and then exited on just around this area, you know, on this bar. And I completely forgot that I normally go for 2 legs, 1, 2, but I only caught the second leg, and I forgot about the third leg completely. And I just thought, oh damn, there's usually sometimes a third leg. If anything, let's wait for that and, you know, get out. I mean, it was good pay. I paid well. I mean, we made 106 on it, but it could have been 200. I just completely forgot about that. Anyway, and then look, we're now reversing 1, 2, possibly 3 double top. Yeah, so that was Lucid. Then NVDA. Oh, NVDA. This was the one I did not manage well. So I wanted to short here. I now made a big mistake of buying calls. Real big mistake. Yeah, so yeah, I was down $16 because I was trying to buy puts. I just exited with the market and obviously lost money. When we sold off here, I bought here, and we got down here, and I think we were up about 200 and something dollars. It pulled back, and I was just, right now, because of the way I looked at BA and how the contracts were going, I just thought, you know, just get out. I'm not really sure, you know, and this could also be the whole BA thing, really strong rally. Maybe, I mean, it's not that strong. You have two-sided trading, but maybe, you know, you have 1 pullback, 2 pullback, 3. So this wedge is not drawn properly. I think it's drawn based on pre-market, but you can see 1, 2, 3. So this would have been a good long at the open. I didn't want to play the open because, you know, and if anything, I guess seeing this, but I should have just bought some. I don't know. This is a pullback, and yeah, I don't know. I didn't really want to play the open. Yeah, so this retracement wasn't that strong. Yeah, so that was that. And I think this was also because I drew this line because I thought this is the last swing high. If we break this swing high, we'll probably be in an uptrend, and we close below it. So we're actually in a trading range, I think. I think we're going to test it one more time, maybe come back down, test the bottom, and then head back up, maybe. So that was NVIDIA. And then I think the last one was the SPY. Let me just see if it was the last one. Yeah, the last one was no, I did 5. I talked about Lucid, BA, low. All right, the last one was the SPY. The SPY was just really just me just trying to find a trade. I use the ES to track the SPY. And essentially what's been happening with the SPY or the ES is, you know, we broke down here, went for a measured move of the same size of this range. So maybe, no, it wasn't that. Maybe this. Yeah, it was about that. There we go, because I'm using this high. So yeah, so the size of this range, it was the measured move we were going for. As you can see, we pulled back, tested it. We're still in this range. We rallied strongly, and I have kind of been doing this. And we sold off over here. I noticed that we had a wedge bottom. Whoopsie. We had a wedge bottom here. So I went long here. I caught this 1 minute, I think it was a 1 minute candle. Yeah, I caught this candle anyway, and then got out around about here. We just started scaling out. Oh, actually no, just below the MA I started scaling out. I think we just made like 30 something bucks on that. Yeah, 35. So I always have these dilemmas, which is, am I trying to go for a scalp, in which case I just put my exit and go, or am I going for like the actual exit I was aiming for was about here, which was about $100. Got about 30 something because I was scaling out, and maybe I don't know. See, sometimes I always wonder whether it's worth just putting your entry there and then just taking the loss if you have to. But because I was scalping, didn't want to lose money today, especially after yesterday. This might be a nice double bottom. I don't know. Didn't want to lose money, especially after yesterday's poor trading. Decided I just need to trade really small, watch everything. I mean, there were some good opportunities like BA again, nice wedge bottom, double bottom from yesterday, higher low, major trend reversal. So you have one, two. Where's the third? Yeah, okay, so double. Actually, let's count this now. Double top, one pullback, two. Is this the two? I feel like this is just one pullback. Maybe there's something in pre-market, because I think this is the final leg. Yeah, that was the leg. 3 is here and 2 is here. Yeah, it was in pre-market. So you had 1, 2, and then this is the last leg, exhaustion leg as well. So today maybe I should have anticipated the breakout, or even this double bottom. I mean, I already ran out of buying power yesterday, and this is why it's so important to look at what the market is doing. Now it's a buy vacuum test of the breakout, which, oh wow, this was the breakout, and it broke it, pulled back, and now where's the second one? This is the second one. It's pulling back. So now maybe we have this broad channel probably heading down there. Maybe it'll be worth seeing how it trades. All right, so yeah, so it's a buy vacuum test of this area, and that's already gone, so I don't need this anymore, and I don't know if I'm going to be using it. So buy vacuum test of that, and then the next one is this, and then you have this. What will be interesting is to see if we break these highs, in which case this would be a good new swing low. Yeah, we're still making gaps, so this is still a strong trend, and I think we should break these highs. All right, so yeah, that's my trading today. We're still growing this account, doing what we can. I think right now, what is good today is we have made 2R, at least 2.3R. An R is 100. So every day I try and see if I can make more, multiple of an R, and build on that till we get to a certain level on the account. Then I'm going to double the risk on the trade to start making my R will go to $200. All right. Okay, so that's trading for today, and we'll see what we'll do tomorrow.